Now, let's take a moment and unpack what I think are the five most common reasons people aren't chosen for a promotion. And this is crucial because understanding the why can help you to shape your next steps. Number one, skill gaps. So sometimes the role that you want to be promoted into requires more specific skills or expertise that you haven't fully demonstrated yet. Number two, perceived leadership readiness. So, management or the leadership team at your organization might feel that you're not ready to lead at the next level. And that could be due to a lack of experience or how you've handled challenges in the past. Number three is visibility. So it's possible that your contributions have been great, but they just haven't been visible to decision makers and in a way that they can recognize the value of what you've done. Number four, organizational dynamics or team dynamics, right? There are internal politics, restructuring, external hire that are made that come into your organization. And all of those things can influence decisions on who gets promoted. And number five is feedback history, past feedback, performance reviews, other conversations that have occurred. There's always the chance that feedback hasn't been addressed properly in a way to really play a role into your future promotion.